Hey, it's me Alice and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today this video is really special to me and it's because it's dedicated to my dad. And today we're going to be making a Father's Day card. Okay guys, so the supplies you need is construction paper, Gorilla Glue, it's a kid's glue stick, and a hot glue gun. If you're able to use a hot glue gun, then you can use it. If you don't know how to use one, don't use it. Ask an adult for help. But I know how to use it. And you'll need scissors, pencil, ribbons, and cutter. So go ahead and hit pause and go get your supplies. You got your supplies, guys? If you don't have ribbon, it's okay. If you don't have a hot glue gun, it's okay. Because I'm going to show you how to make a Father's Day card out of paper and with a ribbon. Okay, so I'm going to be using this color right here. So I'm going to fold it, then cut it. Okay, so here's my paper folded in half. They actually didn't cut it yet. You see, it looks like a book, open and close. So if you really don't have a cutter, you can just use your scissors and cut right in the middle. If you have a cutter like me, then you're going to slice it right in the middle. So now you have two halves, and you're going to put aside the other one, and you're going to move on to this one. And then you fold it in half, again, but we don't cut it. You see? Okay, so now we take this side and measure 2 lines and make sure it leaves 2 finger spaces between it. So I'm doing 2 fingers here and here, and it also makes 2 fingers on the side. All done. You see, this is the line I made, and there's a little bit of a space right there. Yeah, let's continue. Now for this, you need to grab your scissors and cut it. It's really easy to do this. That's why I didn't ask for my mom's help. Now on the other side. Then you open it. Now you open it and then cut off one part. Now you're only going to cut off this part a bit. Just like that. And there you go. So now we're going to fold these two like an X. Corner to corner. You see? Corner to corner. I don't think you're seeing, so I'm going to get a bit closer. Ta-da! So the long side is the front and the short side is the back. You see? There's a total difference. Now we're going to make the tie. And if you don't have ribbons, I'm going to say this again, if you don't have ribbons, you can just use this. We're going to use a different color, and we're going to be using this, and you're going to be measuring it so we can make the paper tie out of it. Oh, and this is the paper that we cut off of the back of the shirt, guys. Remember? So use that paper to measure the tie, and I'm going with dark blue. I'm going to trace it. And ta-da! Okay, so now we're going to cut the corners off only. See? All done. Now you can go ahead and grab your glue and then glue it. Then stick it right here. Then you glue the corners together. It's gonna look like this one. I'm not gonna put glue on it because I'm gonna be doing the ribbon. So go ahead and make sure your hot glue gun is ready. And I know mine is. So now we just need to measure the ribbon. See how long it is. And it looks like this is perfect. Just like in the paper, we're gonna cut the corners. Be careful to not cut yourself. On Father's Day, oh how I love you, Daddy. You bring me joy and happiness. On Father's Day, you bring so much joy, Daddy. Grab your hot glue gun and then put a bit of glue on the bottom. A little bit, not too much though. Be careful to not burn yourself or ask your parents to help you with this. So now grab some of your glue stick and put a bit of a dot. Father's Day, on Father's Day, oh how much you do for me, Daddy. On Father's Day, on Father's Day, you give so much joy to me. Now we're going to press it down like that. And there it is. It's done. Here's a closer look. You see? That's why I said me arties. And you can make as much as you want. You can make them for your uncles, grandpas, even your godfather. And I want to wish a happy Father's Day to all of you. Bye. Peace. Joy to me. On Father's Day, on Father's Day, you give so much joy to me. Daddy, you're the best daddy in the world. I love you. Bye.